Alright, now we go to step 3. Step 3 is second guess. Okay, let z0 equal to -1 be our second guess. Okay, so you have to construct the Euler method. So you can use table format. Start by column I, the same iteration. By now you already know your x 0, 0.25, 0.5, 0.75 and 1. Then y column followed by z column. For now, your y0 is still the same, which is the initial condition, and the first value of z is your guess, is your current guess, -1. So you have to fill in this table by putting the formula of Euler method as before. So you will apply this, the same setup, okay, and you have to calculate the iteration. Okay, but for now I will give you the answer. You can check this later. Make sure all your calculation in 4 decimal point. Now we want to look at the last value for x equal to 1. This is your value. Okay, is it equal to our desired result? No, right? So your y1 is 0.9938. This is not equal to what we want. We want 0.9. Okay, now do the step number 4. This is extrapolation. By using this formula, you can find this formula in the math formula book. Let's plug in. Okay, what is G1? G1 is the first guess. Okay, our first guess just now is -1.5. That is our first guess of Z0. Then put plus. What is our second guess? Our second guess is -1. And then minus the first guess over R2 is the result of the second guess, which is the latest. We got 0.9938 minus R1. R1 is the first result for the first guess. We obtain this value. Okay, and then make a bracket. D is desired result. We want 0.9 minus R1 result for guess 1, 0.4312. Okay, now you calculate this, you will get this value -1.0834. So this is actually your first value of z. Okay, so again you have to construct the table of Euler method with the same number of iteration as and setup. Okay, the first value of y is 1.2. The first value of z is what we calculated in this step. So this whole number, negative 1.0834. Okay, so we will do the iteration of Euler method. Okay, and the answer is given here. Okay, now our target is to look at the value when x equal to 1. Now you obtain 0.9, which is the desired result. That is what we want. So this is your answer, y1 equal to 0.9. Okay, therefore your y0 is here, your y1 is here. Okay, so you can write like this. We want this answer. Okay, we want this answer. We want to know what is the middle answer. You are given the initial y0 is 1.2 from the equation, and also the end point here 0.9. So we want to look at this answer at the intermediate points. Okay, when x is 0.25, x 0.5, and x 0.25. So what you can write here is, therefore you can write y in bracket 0.25 equal to 0.9292. So you can list that. And then at x equal to 0.5, your result is 0.8083, and 0.75 is 0.8036. So that is the answer.